Alright, folks, how about number 1 of 5, the Krakow Food Walking Tour. Now, Krakow, Poland is all about their traditional foods. If you aren't comfortable with trying new foods, then you'll probably miss out on all the important part of your Polish vacation, so make it a goal of yours to taste some truly new dishes. Pierogies, like I stated before, pierogies are a well-known treat here, and they are dumplings stuffed with potatoes and cheese or strawberries and blueberries. Pierogies can be filled with pretty much anything these days. It's becoming popular that everyone is getting super creative with them. You could even take a pierogi cooking class in Krakow, so you could bring the pierogi making skills home with you and bring some to the next potluck you have. Find some more information about making those pierogies by going to the site, whattravelsites2visit.com. Also, click down there the link below for some more great information there. Shopping for most of your Polish food items at the grocery store in Krakow will help you save a lot of money. You could pick up a whole bunch of unique Polish snacks, breakfast, and drink items that you can bring back to your Airbnb for those nights that you feel like staying in and resting more than you want to go out and eat. When roaming the streets of Krakow, you could run into a Polish food festival usually taking place in the Jewish Quarter. And you can watch more about that in site number 4 right here in this video. And at that place at the Jewish Quarter, you could try all types of traditional Polish foods. There are a lot of restaurants to choose from and milk bars. Yes, I said milk bars that you can visit. A milk bar is like a Polish diner where you could drink some kefir. Now the main writer Deet says that this stuff is delicious, so please try it, everyone. And I quote that. Compote, a drink of fermented fruits, is also very traditional, and you could get a whole bunch of traditional Polish dishes here, like more pierogies, you guessed it, or traditional sausage sandwiches. Most menus have food options like smoked or fried cheese, beet soup, all types of bread, an open sandwich with sausage and cheese on top of a toasty piece of rye bread. The pastries are super delicious too, so be sure to visit the donut shop in Krakow for some gourmet treats compared to the donuts and pastries in the US. But no shame, America. So in order to find out those great videos, see a bunch of related videos, click down there, the link below.